Hi guys, Filvet is here, and this is my ninth video about my personal project, and it is a military hangar with rocket inside in Gears of War 5 universe. So in this video I want to tell you about texturing. So by the way, you can also find, I guess I already posted a video about texturing process, and I was showing, I guess, even step-by-step video about texturing of this screen, if I remember right. Yeah, so just check on my YouTube channel. And what else? I also wanted to show you. Yeah, still you can find this screenshot, I guess, in my video, but just to show it in here, why not? Yeah, so first of all, I guess some artists I saw that they can skip this really important stage, but just to double check that you already know about it, guys, that first of all, even if it is orange paint, right, everywhere is the same orange paint, but still right now you can see volume without PBR, without lighting, and still you can understand that something is deeper, and you can see some edges and so on. That's because I did it. I just divided this base color on supporting colors, brighter version and darker version, and in this case now we can see volume again, even without lighting or some PBR textures. So it's kind of important. And as well, I want to recommend you to put some areas where you want to put some edges, some damage on edges or some other areas, just to make sure that on this stage it doesn't look like dirt, you know. You should think about it, like, just to put some common sense where we should put this, where like rust areas probably makes more sense to put them on edges, on corners, right? Yeah, as well we can put even on some flat surfaces, but very rare. Just we should think about it and keep this balance. So in this case it won't look like a dirt, too messy. So yeah, that's all. Have a good one.